Is your Google business profile stuck in verification? I used to fail at this too, until I discovered these simple steps that just work. Today, I'm going to share the exact method that's worked for over 90 of my clients to create and verify a Google business profile. Now, getting your business profile verified is honestly like a crazy maze. You can think of the circular one Ariadne draws for Leo DiCaprio's character in Inception. Google created all these dead ends in the maze, hoping you'll give up and just buy ads instead. Sound familiar? Most business owners end up doing exactly that, right? Getting stuck in never-ending dead ends and giving up. But today, I'm giving you the exact map that's got 90 businesses through. I've marked every turn, every checkpoint, and most importantly, what you need to do before you even enter the maze. So here's why Google makes this so difficult. They want you to pay for ads instead of getting free calls, free traffic from a verified business profile. But I'm going to show you how to beat their system. With a verified GBP, you'll get more customers finding you organically than ads could ever deliver. So let me be direct here. If you've tried video verification before and failed, you are not alone. Almost every GBP now requires video verification. The process is split into two parts. First, you record a video proving you control the business and it's really located where you say it is. Then, Google manually reviews that video to confirm. But here's the thing. You can't just grab your phone and start recording it. If you try that, Google is going to reject you automatically. There's a crucial step most businesses miss before they even attempt verification. You need to understand what I call the 30-day rule. Google hates anything that's brand new. So think about it. Spammers create new accounts, new websites, and try to verify a business profile 5 minutes later. So Google automatically flags new accounts as suspicious. Instead, here's what works. First, you need to establish your business online before you even think about attempting verification. So start with these basics. Create your Google account, but not just any account. Make sure it's a business account, not personal. The reason why is that personal accounts are often flagged during verification, especially if you're managing multiple business profiles. Next, get your business name out there. Issue a press release. Nothing fancy, just announcing that your business is serving your area. Create some basic social media profiles that match your business name. Get listed in online business directories. But here's what's absolutely critical. Your business name, address, and phone number must match exactly across everything. And I mean down to whether you use street or ST period in your address. Now, I can help you with these aspects if you want. My site is over at icecreamtruck.shop and we offer these services. But feel free to find another provider or even do this yourself. But don't skip this. It will make verification much, much smoother if you have this done. So while all of that is building up your online presence, go back and create a simple website. It doesn't need to be anything complex. The domain name can be branded. The key is making sure that when someone, especially Google's algorithm, searches for your business name, real results about your business show up. Now, here's the part that nobody tells you. After all that is done, you wait. I know, waiting feels wrong when you just want to get verified right now. But trust me, 30 days is the sweet spot. I've seen this work over and over again. Now, while you're waiting, use the time to gather everything else you're going to need for that video verification. So let me show you exactly what you need for that verification. Number 1, a mobile device with a working video camera. Number 2, that 30-day digital footprint that we built. Number 3, all your online profiles active and matching. Number 4, physical materials ready. I'll break down exactly what the physical materials are shortly. Number 5, access to your business location and your vehicle. Number 6, tools of the trade in the vehicle or at your business location. And number 7, office location ready to go with documentation and website. So speaking of location, this is where a lot of businesses get stuck. If you're home-based, you'll need to show Google that this is actually where your business operates. You'll demonstrate control of the location by showing you have the keys, showing the door locked and then unlocking it. For your vehicle, you'll show that you control that vehicle by using your key fob to, again, lock and unlock it. Even if you're service area only, meaning you go to customers but they don't come to you, you still need a real physical address. Virtual offices, PO boxes, and UPS store mailboxes just won't work. Google will reject those every time. 5 or 10 years ago, you could get away with it, but not so much anymore. Now, while you're waiting for that 30-day mark, get your physical materials together. Here's what you're going to need. You'll need business cards, your driver's license, hopefully you have that, a car magnet or vehicle signage with the business name, address, and website on it, a yard sign or office sign if possible. You'll want proof of insurance with the business name and address listed, and you'll want a utility bill or a lease with the business name and address listed. Having all these ready before you start recording is going to save you massive headaches. Now, trust me, I've done this over 90 times. Forgetting even one of these items can basically mean having to start over. So now, let's talk about the actual video verification process. Nearly every business these days has to do video verification, and you need to record it directly through your Google Business profile on Google's website. You cannot record the video separately and upload it later. You can't edit the video. It has to be one continuous take. So this means clearly you can't do this verification on desktop. It needs to be a mobile device with a working video camera. And the most frustrating part of this, Google's algorithm is going to check your video before it even gets to manual review, and it likely will instantly reject your video upload. What causes that instant rejection is, number one, any face or even face-like objects in frame. Now, I say face-like objects because it's just an algorithm at this point. Number two, if you move the camera too fast and the footage gets blurry. Number three, poor lighting or poor weather conditions. And number four, shaky movements. Any of those will result in rejecting the upload. But here's some good news. There's no penalty for failed attempts. I've seen businesses that needed 15, 20, 30 tries before getting that upload accepted. And that's normal. Just keep these requirements in mind. Record during daylight hours, choose clear weather, don't record in the rain, keep the frame clear of people, move slowly and steadily, and use clean, uncluttered backgrounds. Now, once you pass that algorithm check, your video goes to manual review. Now, this is where they confirm everything matches. Your business name, address, signage, website, everything. So let me show you exactly how to record this video. Follow these steps precisely. This is how we had the most success with our 90 attempts. You're going to want to start outside at your vehicle with the business magnet visible. Hold up your key fob where it's clearly visible and lock and unlock the vehicle so the lights flash. This proves to Google's reviewers that it's your vehicle. Open the passenger door and show your business card and driver's license sitting side by side on the seat. The names need to match, okay? Now, for a service business, open your trunk or van doors and show your work tools. Close everything back up. Make sure you lock the vehicle. The sound of it locking is good proof. Now, if you're near a street corner, show the street sign. If you aren't, pan slowly left and right to show neighboring buildings. This helps Google confirm your location. I know this can be difficult. One of my clients in downtown Philadelphia had to do this at 5 a.m. because people kept walking into the frame. Remember, if anyone's face shows up, even in the background, Google will reject that video instantly. Now, walk to your business entrance. Get the house or building number in frame. And here's a key step most people miss. Try the door handle first to show that it's locked, then unlock it and open it. This again shows that you have control over that space. Walk inside smoothly. Remember, no quick movements. Head straight to your work area and have your documentation laid out. Slowly show your utility bill or proof of insurance or license, anything like that, with your business name and address visible. Then show your website on screen with your business information showing. Get all of that in your video and keep it under 2 minutes in length. Now, if that doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Like I said, 30 attempts is normal. Don't give up. Just keep trying. And once you get verified, sadly, there's still work to do. You're going to want to keep all of your verification materials, the business cards, vehicle magnet, proof of insurance, for at least 6 months, if not longer. Google can trigger re-verification if they spot suspicious activity or get user reports about your business. So what triggers this suspension or re-verification? The big ones are, number one, changing your business address. Number two, switching your primary category. Number three, multiple people accessing your account. So give people separate access to their account. Don't give them your login information. Number four, suspicious activity like keyword stuffing. Number five, Too many edits too quickly. And number 6, user reports. Anyone can report your business profile to Google, including your competitors. So here's something that most people don't know. Google doesn't always notify you when there's an issue with your business profile. You need to log into your Google account regularly to check on your business profile, especially in these first few months. I recommend checking at least weekly, but maybe daily once it's first created. There's also a really nasty trick that some competitors use where they can move your map pin location miles away from your actual address. This tanks your local rankings instantly. I have another video I'll link to here that breaks down exactly what this is and how you can stop it from happening to you. Monitor your GBP notifications closely. If Google does send a warning or ask for additional information, respond right away. The longer you wait, the more likely they'll suspend your profile. So here's what not to do after verification. Don't remove your business information from directories. Don't take down your website. Don't change your business name or your business address without documentation. Don't let your social profiles go inactive. And don't change your main category, again, without documentation. You can think of verification like a driver's test. You pass the test, but you still need to follow the rules to keep your license. Now, I created a checklist with these steps in my school community that I'll link to in the description. The community used to be free, but there was enough spam, it forced my hand to implement a minor monthly fee. If you don't want that, no problem. Pause this video, go over it again, and create your own checklist. I also have a detailed guide in the paid section that breaks down every aspect of GBP verification, including showing you an alternate method that often will let you skip the video verification entirely. So now you've got what you need to get your business profile verified. But here's the thing, getting verified is just the first step. Your competitors already have verified profiles, and they're showing up above you in searches. In this next video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to optimize your business profile and outrank 99% of your local competitors. Click right here to learn how to unrank your competitors using AI optimization techniques that start working within days.